Let's go.
That's a nice one.
Whoa, careful, don't get cut.
Yes, it is. This is a muskie.
That's a big one.
That is a muskie.
Samuel,
Don't
careful.
get cut. Whoa.
Samuel.
It's not a
cut
keeper,
out.
I don't think.
No.
But careful, 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 careful.
Fish bleeding. No, it's me.
It's you?
Yes, it is.
All right. Careful, Samuel.
Samuel.
There's no way to grab it. Do you have pliers?
In my bag. Yeah.
Well, you pulled it out of the water too fast.
I didn't want it to come off.
Yeah. Oh, this guy pliers.
No, I need to hold it with the pliers.
Good fish?
Oh boy. Sarah.
Sarah. Now hit the white button and get a picture.
I know.
Careful, it's gonna flop.
Got it.
Video.
I am.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's swimming upright. It's just.
Come on. Yeah.
There it goes.
There he goes.
Let go.